Hi, my name is Alyssa, your pronunciation trainer, and I help people who have problems with their English pronunciation achieve an excellent American accent so they can speak English confidently and clearly. Watch the following demo for free to improve your accent immediately. Today we're going to talk about the H sound. Now the H sound is particularly interesting because oftentimes Spanish speakers see it and just don't pronounce it at all. So think about the word happy. You might see it and say happy. That's not a word because you didn't say the H. You have to pronounce the H. When you make an H sound, you're just opening your mouth and pushing air out. You should actually push enough air out that you would be able to feel it if you put your hand in front of your mouth. So try that. Put your hand in front of your mouth and say, Thanks for watching our American Accent Secrets video. My lessons will help you improve your English pronunciation and sound like a native speaker. You'll find a video for every sound in American English. This is just an example of what you can find in American Accent Secrets app. Download American Accent Secrets for free. Find the link in the description.